Why does your scanner show the P2243 engine code? What does it mean? P2243 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor reference voltage circuit, or Open Bank 1 Sensor 1. This engine code indicates that this circuit is responsible for transmitting voltage signals from the O2 sensor to the PCM or ECM. The PCM uses this voltage to determine the catalytic converter's efficiency and the overall engine performance. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring problems, exhaust leaks, other potential issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mazda, Honda, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.